Okay, so these are my two elephants. It's quite a slog to get them done, to be honest. I still need to do the crew, but I'm going to spray paint, so they're waiting. But this is them. Finished. I'm really happy with them and how they've come out. But once I actually sat down and got on it, it didn't take too long. There they are, the Seleucid army grows. I've done a few videos that I'll put on the end of this, but if you just wanted to see two painted elephants, then there you go. Boom. On to the next project. 36 successor phalangites. The last unit.